Hey, it's Matias with Toast. We're gonna do a quick unboxing video for you today. We're gonna take a look at the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max, and we're gonna compare that against the last generation, the 14 Pro Max. Let's take a look at this guy. So right off the bat, it feels lighter. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. I can definitely tell the softness in the edges, which feels nice. That feels good. The edges this is the black. Edging doesn't seem, I don't know, it doesn't feel especially premium compared to like the regular 15, whereas the old stainless steel kind of felt really premium on the edges, but chances are you'd be covering that up anyways. Cameras look relatively similar, size-wise, as far as I can tell. And then of course it's got rid of the mute switch on there, so it's now got the action button. And the USB-C on the bottom. And I wonder with just the configuration if it's going to be harder to clean out from all that pocket lint or not compared to the old lightning cable. And then in the box we've got a new cable. This is USB-C to USB-C cable now instead of the USB to lightning. And it's a nice braided cable, looks nice and flexible. So first impressions, yeah, so it definitely feels a little softer, feels a little bit lighter. Let's take a look at the 14 Pro Max and see how they compare. Definitely feels chunkier, a little sharper on the edges. I kind of like the glossy of the old Pro Max edges, though it is kind of a fingerprint magnet. Cameras really look the same size. I mean, this thing is nearly identical, maybe half a millimeter off. So, you know, if you were just gonna pick one out of your pocket, you probably wouldn't tell the difference. But let's take a look at the weight. So we got the old 14 Pro Max in grams, 241 grams. And then our new 15, 222 grams. So 19 grams different, 10%-ish. It's noticeable. Yeah, I can feel the difference for sure. Incremental improvements. I think I'm excited most about the zoom, the 5x zoom on this thing. Seems impressive. So you can see, you know, you got, with the digital zoom, you've got massive zoom capabilities. So 5x optical, and then they've got like 25x digital in there. So quite a range. A little bit bigger than the 3x of the previous model. So there you go. First impressions. We are going to get working on it to toast it, wrap it in real wood, adding that protection and grip to it without making it any larger or bulkier. Here's the 15, the regular standard 15, wrapped in our walnut with lens covers and front cover, protecting that front glass, little button covers. So gorgeous wood, doesn't really add any weight, maybe, you know, a couple grams to that. And really doesn't add any bulk whatsoever to the phone, but definitely gives it that grip protection. You can throw it down on the table and not worry about scratching your phone. So that's our first impressions. We're gonna get to work, and we'll see you in the next video.